Here's a day in a life with my 5 pets. This is Larry, Rosie, Bobby, Chinchilli, Santiago. Larry's hungry. Bobby might be hungry too. Let's fill it up. He was hungry. Rosie is hungry too. She is so cute when she's excited. Let's give her her food. She's gonna be so happy. The chinchillas have their water. They need more food. X5 speed. Larry's taking a bath. Rosie wants to go outside. Let's go outside with her. It looks like it's gonna rain. Let's see what Rosie's doing. I think she smells something. Rosie's going in. Oh, let's see what Bobby's doing. I think he also smells something. I just woke Santiago up. Oops. Chinchilli is sleeping. Dust bath time. Rosie needs to be brushed. This is Rosie's crate right now. I'm going to make it. Here's all the blankets. We're going to fold the shark blanket. Then put it in first. Then the moose blanket on top of that one. Rosie wants to see the progress. Then I'm going to put the pink blanket on the edge. I'm trying to lay it out so I can roll it up. Bobby's underneath the blanket. Bruh. Okay, I finally was able to spread it out. Here's what I mean by on the edge. I did some work off camera. Bobby's just chilling. The chinchillas are going really fast. Larry's loafing time got interrupted by the chinchillas. The kitties are sleeping. Bobby's sleeping on my bed. Larry's sleeping. Rosie wants to go back outside. Thankfully, it didn't rain. She's just enjoying the sunshine. All right, we're going in.
1 hour later.
It's treat time! Santiago. Chinchilli. Larry's running. I'm saying, do you want a treat? She's excited. She loves her treat. The food bowls are dirty. Let's clean them. Before versus after. Rosie's is dirty too. Now they are cleaned. I restock. If you want to know more about chinchillas, go check out these 2 videos that are on my channel. The chinchillas were very thirsty. Let's refill it. Larry's leading me to the water. Let's put the lid back on. Then see what Bobby is up to. He's not on the couch, and he's not on this couch either. We found Rosie, but where's Bobby? He's not on the cat tower, Larry is, though. He's not on this part. He's not looking outside. Maybe he's on my bed. Let's go check. Oh, we found him. He was on my bed. 3 p.m., everyone is sleeping. Lunchtime for me, I have a ham and lettuce sandwich. Time to watch YouTube. Bobby woke up. Larry just finished eating. Dinner time for Rosie. Her tail's waging. I'm holding Bobby's toy. Rosie's sleeping. Larry's also sleeping. Santiago is awake now. Chinchilli is sleeping in there. All you can see is his nose, though. Bobby sees something behind the couch. I think he saw a fly, too. What are they doing right now? Get popcorn because it's time for the chinchilla time lapse. Bobby has the zoomies. Let's see where Rosie's going. She's looking out the window. We're going to go for a late-night walk. Rosie's ready to go.